Hey guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all your communication technology needs. Today we'll be teaching you how to change your presence and your profile picture on HostX Collaborate. First step, if you open up HostX Collaborate, you should see a circular image in the top left hand corner, which will typically have your initials in there. If you hover over that image and right click, it will give you an option to change your profile photo. Click on that. If you then find the photo you'd like your profile picture to be, click the image once and then press open. It will add the image to your profile picture. Now that your profile is personalized, you may be thinking, how do I check my presence to show my colleagues I'm available? What if I'm away from my desk? Or on a call? Maybe you're on your lunch break. Yeah, no one wants a call on their lunch break. Let me show you how to change your presence. Near the top you should see a little drop down arrow below your name. Click on the arrow and it will give you a list of options you can choose from, such as available, in a meeting, on a call, and many more. Select the one that applies to you and it will change your presence. Easy, right? Thank you for watching guys. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit subscribe and also turn that notification bell on so you know when we upload. And please make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you have any further questions, please do check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching guys, and as always, we are the business communication experts.